Good afternoon everyone and welcome to ATSA channel. Today our topic is Redmi. In this video I will tell you how to make apps bigger on Redmi. Don't forget to like the video if it helps you. Let's dive in. Long tap no. Tap on settings. Then scroll down, find home screen. Then home screen layout, select it, choose this. Then tap on apply. Good. Okay, you did it. It was easy and simple. I hope my video was useful. Don't forget to watch my new videos. Subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.